Have you ever felt tempted to try those viral beauty hacks on TikTok? You're not alone. However, recent warnings reveal that these trends could be dangerous and harmful. Many TikTok DIY beauty trends include practices like applying bleach to whiten teeth, removing moles at home, and even using eyelash glue for plumper lips. These videos are gaining millions of views, encouraging more people to follow suit. But healthcare groups are sounding the alarm about potential risks. Leading medical associations, including the British Association of Dermatologists and the British Dental Association, have cautioned against these DIY treatments. They emphasize that social media should not be your go-to source for dermatology advice. Dr. Anjali Madho reminds us that such practices can result in unnecessary panic, wasted resources, and even delays in seeking proper treatment. When talking about mole removal, experts agree there's no safe home method. Dr. Ross Perry warns that trying to remove a mole yourself can lead to infections, bleeding, and scarring. Only qualified doctors should perform such procedures. There's also a bizarre trend suggesting people use eyelash glue to enhance their lips. Dr. Adil Shiraz highlights the dangers, exposing users to severe allergic reactions from cyanoacrylate, the main component in eyelash glue. The risks include potential scarring or permanent disfigurement. Teeth whitening hacks are another alarming trend, with TikTok videos tagged "teeth whitening" amassing millions of views. Some recommend using household bleach to avoid pricey dentist visits. The British Dental Association raises concerns about using high concentrations of hydrogen peroxide at home, which may lead to burns, tooth sensitivity, and damaged gums. Sunscreen application is also taking a hit with this trend. Some TikTok videos suggest unconventional ways to apply sunblock for contouring. Dr. Vishal Madan warns that incorrect application can increase UV damage and raise the risk of skin cancers. Prolonged misapplication can cause the skin to age prematurely as well. Even seemingly harmless DIY cosmetic masks may have harmful effects. Dr. Ifoma Ejikim cautions against using citrus fruits on the skin before sun exposure. This can inflame the skin, leading to burning and blistering. Despite a growing number of health warnings, TikTok claims these videos don't violate their community guidelines. They state that user safety is their top priority and that they continuously evaluate their policies to keep users protected. In summary, while TikTok beauty hacks can be appealing, they carry significant risks. It's crucial to approach these trends with caution and seek professional advice. Prioritize your health over trends, and always go to qualified professionals for your beauty needs. If you found this information valuable, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe for more content that keeps you informed and safe.
Thanks for watching Zenvix. Subscribe for smarter health and science.